Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Essence.
The one stop for procreate tutorials and some fun videos.
In this video, we are going to talk about our experience with digital painting and oil painting.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Okay, let's start with the challenges we faced in oil painting.
Oh my god, I don't like messy rooms. So much effort goes into cleaning than focusing on the real art.
That's correct, Renu. I have spent hours cleaning my art space and I have got earful from my mom.
Oh, you know what? I have even ended up messing up my walls, spoiled my favorite dresses and even painted my dog.
Jeez. Next thing I always wished was for a back button in my canvas. Sometimes I wanted to change the background and it is quite difficult to undo the work made on a real canvas.
Yeah, I completely agree. There have been moments when I really lose patience and interest while rebuilding my artwork.
Next up is money. I always end up spending a lot of money for brushes, paints and canvases.
So true. I still recall spending close to 5,000 rupees in purchasing the stationery, artwork, refilling my paint, cleaning stuff, etc. Not good.
My dear friends, I live in a 2 BHK apartment in Bangalore with a small space to make art and to sleep. Then finding a storage place for my artwork is always a challenge.
Do you know? It takes about 2 weeks for the oils to dry and storing it in a secure place is very important. There is another big challenge, you know that? The small space can lead to storing paints, oils, turpentines in one single place, which can cause severe health problems.
That's right, Renu. You know what? I turned allergic at one point when I used to eat, sleep and paint in one room. Well. Let's talk about some advantages of digital painting. First and foremost, the advantage is it's so easy to use.
Yeah, in my experience, after I started using Procreate, I never looked back at oils and other traditional methods. The next biggest advantage is that anyone can carry it around, paint anywhere at any point in time.
Yeah, that's so true. I had the most beautiful experience of painting in a shack by Peasy in Goa. This was possible only because I moved to digital painting. And there is lot of features that come with the software of digital painting like tons and tons of brushes and various other tools.
So true. I really love how you can create your own brushes, alter their texture, shapes. Do you know you can even build layers easily and your art will start looking fantastic?
We will make a detailed video on our coming sessions to explain these features in detail. So don't worry guys, just stick with us. Last but not the least, the world is changing to digital. And by doing art in the digital form, you can directly upload these as NFTs in Opensea or any other digital marketplace. If you want to know more about digital art and NFTs, subscribe and follow us. Do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching this channel, Essence!